Good morning, everybody. Happy President's Day. Today is February 17th, 2020, and the stock market is closed for the holiday, which means that we could talk about some trading strategies, not just for this week, but in general. You probably saw all these people that, make pictures where they sit in front of a bunch of monitors and trying to monitor a bunch of stocks at the same time, and they keep telling you that we are day traders or we are traders and this is our full-time work, and we look at all these monitors and all these signals and alerts and charts and all kinds of reports, and based on this information we are able to trade successfully and profitably. Well, I actually have done it myself before, and frankly I would say that out of 1,000 people who do that, maybe one makes money. And here's the reason. When you initially start and you try to look at 5, 4, 3 monitors at the same time, where the information is constantly changing, the charts are constantly redrawn, the numbers are updated, what happens is that you become overwhelmed. And even though you might have some slick software that helps you to color code these things and show you charts from different stocks and show you different price points, what happens is that your brain gets tired of processing all this information. There's a saying that a human could keep track of 7 numbers, but if you give the person 8 numbers, he will start to forget one of those numbers very, very quickly. So if you keep this in mind, then just remember one thing, that one stock is characterized during the day by 7 numbers, and these numbers are: what is the current price of the stock? That's first number. What is the price change in dollars for today? That's another one. What is the price change in percentages? That's a third number. What is the volume of the stock? That's the fourth number. What is the change in volume percentage-wise? That's a sixth number. And what is the change of volume in shares being traded? That's the seventh number. So every stock on the stock market has this 7 numbers that constantly change. Just the price and the volume, and they changes during the day in percentages and shares. So if you add more data to your screens, you will pass the 7 number limit on an order of 10, meaning that you would be monitoring, probably if you monitor, let's say 5-10 stocks, we automatically see that you will have 50 to 70 numbers to monitor at the same time. Obviously this thing is close to impossible to analyze quickly and trade efficiently. So in fact, most traders that try to do this during the day, they have to focus on maybe 2 or 3 stocks, and this is how they pretty much trade. Because if you try to spread your attention across more than that, chances are you're going to start making a lot of mistakes, you will miss a lot of opportunities, and also you will accumulate quite a bit of mistakes because the price moves and you didn't notice it, or you were too busy to pull the trigger to make a trade because you were looking at another stock. So basically what I'm trying to say is that trading manually, looking at everything with your eyes, even though you might install a million monitors on your desk or on your wall, it's still not gonna help you that much. So what is the solution? And the solution is software trading trading solution. And this is what I do. See, what happens is that unlike a person, a computer could keep track of 1 billion numbers at the same time. And for that, we really just need a regular PC or Mac with a regular, Pentium processor. That's by the way, that is installed in both Macintosh computers, Apple Mac computers, and regular Windows computers. So what I do is I design the software that harvests the numbers from the stock market constantly, then plugs them into some formulas. And these formulas, if they do work out and they show a certain threshold for the buy signal or for the sell signal, then the computer issues a trade. And right now I am working with E-Trade, and I could actually generate an actual order to buy or sell a stock from my software, communicate this order, buy or sell order, to E-Trade, and E-Trade will accept this order and execute it if the price and all the conditions are correct. If it's a market order, it will execute automatically. So, and that's the only way how you could capture all the opportunities in the stock market and don't miss anything and make quite a bit of money. So if you're interested in trying to use this software or put your money to be managed by this type of software, leave a comment under this video, and I will try to contact you directly to see if we could work out some kind of investment deal. So also, please go to this website, 2stx.com. It will take you to an Apple App Store where you could download and install my app that runs on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and it gives you advice on 5,000 stocks, what to buy and what to sell. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.